Hello kaibigan, welcome back po dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about permutation on how to find or how to calculate the value of n. So we have this one, the permutation of n objects taken 3 at a time is equal to 120. So paano nga po ba i-calculate yung value ng n in this equation or in this permutation? So yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start. Find the unknown value of n. So we have for number 1, permutation of n taken 3 at a time is equal to 120. So there are two ways to calculate the value of n. First is by using the so-called algebraic method. So kakalculate po natin. And yung second one is by using trial and error method. Okay, so it's up to you kung ano po yung at isa inyo na gamitin in calculating value of n. So, unahin ko pong i-discuss yung algebraic method and then yung trial and error method. Okay, so using algebraic method, ito po yung way na ating gagamitin. So, we are going to use the formula of permutation. So, we have P n r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay, so ano po yung gagawin natin yan? Diyan po yung ating susundan para makalculate yung n. So, given natin, n is unknown and r is equal to 3. Okay, so using that given, ito po yung ating equation, P and R. Ito po yung ating equation na P and R. Substitute po natin, N is unknown, and then R is equal to 3. So, P n 3 is equal to N factorial over N minus 3 factorial. So, yung N natin is unknown, kaya N factorial over N is unknown again, and then minus 3. So, sundan lang po natin yung ating formula. So, R is 3, so N minus 3, then factorial. Okay. Is equal to, ang equal po ay 120 sa ating given equation. Okay, so is equal to 120. So, paano pong steps po natin na gagawin dyan? Ganito lang po yon. Okay, so we're going to get the denominator n minus 3 factorial. Okay, tanggalin po natin yung factorial and then ito po yung n na ito ay start po tayo ng n and then ang pag sinabi po kasi nating n factorial, yung number multiply mo pababa or decreasing. For example, ay 5. So 5 factorial is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kaya yung n factorial, yung n is can be written as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. So yung n, pag binawas mo ng isa, halimbawa ang n ay 5, ito ay 4, ito ay 3, ito ay 2. Hanggang maabot natin yung denominator na n minus 3. So dito, n minus 3, mag-e-end na po tayo sa n minus 3. Kapag ito ay n minus 5, so diretso pa po natin hanggang n minus 5. Since n minus 3 yung ating denominator, hanggang dyan na lang po sa n minus 3. Okay? Then, is equal to, okay, or we are going to cancel n minus 3. So, yun po yung purpose niyan para makancel po yung n minus 3. Okay? So, equal to 120. So, kapag na-cancel na tong n minus 3, ang matitira na lang ay yung n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 is equal to 120. Okay? So, itaas po natin. So, mula po dito sa ating equation ay magse-set po tayo or we're going to think 3 numbers kasi tatlo yung numbers po dito. N minus 1, N minus 2. Ibig sabihin, tatlong numbers na magkakasunod-sunod decreasing. For example, start ka ng 5, 5, 4, 3. Pag nag-start ka ng 7, 7, 6, 5. Okay, ganun po yan. Kaya, ipa-factor po natin yung 120. So, ang 120, if you think 3 numbers na magkakasunod ay 6, 5, and 4. So, 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 4 is equal to 120. So, na-factor po natin. Okay. So, after na-factor natin, so yung n po dyan, kukunin po natin yung first number, n, kasi n lang po yung hinahanap natin dito. Yung n dyan ay 6, yung n minus 1 is 5, yung n minus 2 is 4. Since ang kinakalculate natin ay n, kunin po natin yung first number n, ang first number po dito ay 6. So, n is equal to 6. So, yan na po yung value ng n using algebraic method. Okay, so how about naman po kapag ang gagamitin natin ay trial and error method? So, ano po ba yung concept ng permutation of objects? So, sa PNR, yung n is always greater than r. So, mas malaki yung n kaysa sa r. Since yung r po natin dito na given natin is equal to 3, dapat ang n mag-i-start ng 4. So, ang n ay pwedeng 4, pwedeng 5, pwedeng 6, 7, and so on. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito, kaya trial and error method, magsiset tayo ng value ng n, sisimplify natin using the formula or using the concept of permutation. Kapag nag-equal to 120, yun po yung value ng n. Pag hindi equal to 120, hindi yun ang value ng n. Okay, since r is 3 and then yung n natin ay mag-start ng 4. So 4 is greater than 3. Okay. So ano po ba yung concept ng permutation? Ano po ba yung shortcut? Ang shortcut po niyan ay mag-isip po tayo ng numbers or yung since ang n natin ay 4, mag-start po tayo ng 4 pababa. Tatlong number po ang kukunin natin kasi yung r natin ay 3. Kaya nga po ang tawag dito ay permutation of n objects taken r at a time, taken 3 at a time. So ibig sabihin, sa 4 na objects, ang kukunin po natin ay tatlo. Kaya yung 4, start with 4, multiply natin pababa, 4 times 3 times 2. Ito po yung 3 na r, start po tayo ng 4. Okay? Kaya 4 times 3 times 2, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is equal to 24. So yung 24, ang result, dapat ang result natin is 120. Ibig sabihin, yung n is not the value of r or n rather. Okay, so how about if n is equal to 5? Okay, so 5 po siya. Mag-start po tayo ng 5. So 5, 4, 3. 5 times 4 times 3. Okay? So again, tatlo lang po yung r natin. Kaya 1, 2, 3. Kaya 5, 4, 3. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is equal to 60. So ibig sabihin, hindi po ulit equal to 120. So another one, n is equal to 6. So 6 po yung n natin, pababa po. 6, 5, 4. Okay? Start po tayo ng 6, then tatlo kasi r ay 3, 6, 5, 4. So 6 times 5, 30. 30 times 4 is equal to 120. Since ang ating pong result is 120, 120 po yung result dito or equal ng permutation natin, ibig sabihin, ang n natin is equal to 6. So, 6 naman po yung nakalculate natin kanina using algebraic method. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? So we have Pn4 is equal to 840. So we're going to calculate the value of n here. So ang gagawin ko po dito sa example number 2, ang gagawin ko po ay trial and error method. Since ang r natin ay 4, yung n natin ay mag-i-start ng 5. So 5 pataas, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So using trial and error, set po natin n is equal to 5. Okay? And then, since 4, yung ating r, taken 4 at a time, so mula 5, kukuha po tayo ng 4 numbers pababa. So 5, 4, 3, 2. So apat po yung numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to multiply 5 times 4 times 3 times 2, that is equal to 120. So ang result is 120, dapat 840. So n is equal to 5 is not the value of n. Okay? Or 5 is not the value of n. How about n is equal to 6? Okay. So mula 6, kukuha tayo ng 4 numbers pababa. So that will become 6, 5, 4, and 3. So apat po yung numbers na yan. And then if you're going to multiply 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, that is equal to 360. And 360 yung result, ang hinahanap natin ay 840. So hindi pa rin yung 6 ay value ng n. How about n is equal to 7? So mula 7, 4 na numbers. Okay? 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay? There are 4 numbers. So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4, that is equal to 840. So this time, 840 na po yung result natin. So 840 yung result sa ating given, sa ating question. Ibig sabihin, the value of n is equal to 7. Okay? Okay, so how about for number 3 example? So we have NP3 is equal to 336. So what is the value of n when r is equal to 3? Okay? And the result should be 336. So yung number 3 example po na ito, ililib ko pong activity ninyo. Pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito and then calculate. So kapag meron po kayong sagot, try nyo pong i-comment sa comment box at tingnan po natin kung tama po yung inyong sagot. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.